This is a squats to chair workout, lasts 8 minutes. We're going to start by sitting down on a chair and standing up, practicing our squat position as a warm-up. Make sure when you're sitting back, you sit back into your heels. And as you stand up, you can use your hands for support if necessary on your knees or thighs. So sit down, stand up 10 times. Try not to let your knees go past your toe line when you're doing any of these squats. So all the squats will be to or around the chair, either neutral stance or wide feet. And pause. Shake the legs out. We're going to do top half range of movement only, and it's 10 reps. Go. 1, 2, 3. Halfway, using your arms for counterbalance. And then we're going to change that to bottom half only, so you're barely touching the seat. Let's go down there now. So you're going to squat down nice and low, sit on the chair, and then just stand up a little bit. 10 times, please. Let's go. 1, 2, push through those heels, keep your core switched on. Use your arms for counterbalance. And rest. You're going to go wide on the feet, so your feet should be outside shoulder, going down for 2 and up for 2. Let's do that. So you're just barely touching the chair, and you're standing nice and tall up to attention. You can point your toes out slightly. Doing 10 of these. And then maintaining the wide stance, we're going to do top half only. So at the moment you're going down for a count of 2. Right, top half, singles. 15 of those. Halfway. Ready to change. We're going to go down for a count of 4. This is super slow, as slow as you can, and then up for a count of 4, please. Nice controlled action. Last slow rep, going down for 4 and up for 4. Okay, we're going to go to bottom half only. Nice and low, singles. Let's go. Just a few. Well done, stand tall. Standard squats going down for 2 and up for 2. This time your hands are behind your head or fingertips at the ears. 20 reps. Keep count. Last 4 reps. Last 2. Good job, well done. Okay, overhead with the arms, top half only. Going down for 1 and up for 1. Let's do it. It's halfway. Push through those heels. Last few reps. And rest. Well done. We're going to change it to the 1 leg squat, partial range of movement. Standing on 1 leg, use your arms to counterbalance and squat down, bending the knee. Step onto the other foot, arms for counterbalance and squat down. Take your time. This is partial range of movement. Working on your balance. Side view, stand on 1 foot, spread the toes, get your balance. You do 1 rep on one side and 1 rep on the other. 1 leg squats with a limited range of movement. Okay, grab a quick drink, push pause if you want to. We're going to return to the squats. You're going down for a count of 3 and up for a count of 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3 and push up fast. And again. Keep going. One more squat, then we're going to do a hold. Hold at the top for 10 seconds. And we're going to hold it at the bottom for 10 seconds. Bring it low. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to bring it back up to the top half, holding for 10 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do this. Hold it. The last time, bottom half hold. 1, 2. Squeeze through the glutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done.